So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change daily goals on Duolingo. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Duolingo app. Once you've done that, you can see here underneath the home page, you can see some daily quests and you can see some other features on here. So you can go back to the home. You can see here the courses I've added. You can even see new courses that have nothing to do with language. So through here, if you wish to go ahead and use different daily goals, you can just click on this fire sign and you can see here 1 day streak, personal, you can even see friends goals. So through here you can see a streak goal, so you can change it once you reach a certain level. So this will be your first streak that you have, and after that you can use the streak to actually change different goals that you have every day. So it's basically through there. Once you use the app for a certain number of days, you can go to this streak icon, which will be the flame next to the flag of the language that you're learning right now, and click the option edit goal, and you can then adjust the number of experience points you want to achieve each day, but that only happens once you've used the Duolingo app for quite some time. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.